Soak the garlic in water to encourage root growth. Garlic planted in soil this way will grow faster. This is a method for rapid rooting of garlic. Prepare 1 plastic bottle for rooting for each garlic bulb. Peel the outer skin layers off the garlic bulbs. Then, trim the tops of the cloves with a knife. Do this with each garlic bulb you want to root faster. Even if it has already started to sprout a green stem, trim it. This procedure stimulates the garlic to grow faster and accelerates rooting. Cut off the top part of the plastic bottles. Shorten the bottles and insert the inverted top part into them. Pour water into the prepared bottles. Place the garlic bulbs in them. The bottom part of the bulb must be submerged in water. Check, change, and top up the water daily. Keep the garlic on the windowsill, but not in direct sunlight. After a few days, the garlic will have substantial roots and will sprout young stems. After 1 to 2 weeks, it's time to plant them. Separate the bulbs with roots. As you can see, the roots are beautiful. If you wait longer to plant, you'll see the garlic forming cloves. Soak the garlic in a bowl of water and add some salt. Soak the garlic for about 15 minutes. Salt protects the garlic from pests and prevents fungal diseases. Then dry it. If you want, plant some of the garlic in a pot. It can be placed on a windowsill. These conditions will ensure you have garlic quickly at home. Plant the rest of the garlic in the garden. I plant garlic on newspapers, but I'll talk about planting garlic on newspapers in the next video. So stay tuned for updates. These cucumber seeds sprout in just a few days. Prepare an egg carton, preferably paper, as it is biodegradable and perfect for sowing. Cut it in half and keep the part with the egg compartments. Then take cucumber seeds. They are quite small, so planting them individually can be difficult and easy to lose. Place 3 seeds in each section. This is a simple trick to grow cucumber seedlings without pots. It increases the chance that at least 1 strong seedling will grow in each spot. Let us know where you are watching from. Now, cover everything with soil. This is a simple way to plant cucumbers from seeds at home without special containers. Sprinkle a bit of ash, which naturally supports plant growth and provides minerals. Finally, water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not wet. After just a few days, you will see the first sprouts. This is an easy way if you are wondering how to speed up cucumber germination. The seedlings will grow fast and healthy. It is a great eco-friendly way to start cucumbers without using plastic. Few people know this way of sowing carrots. You'll end up with so many harvests, you'll barely keep up picking them. Get a pot and pour in about 1 quart of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Now prepare about 1/8 cup of cornstarch, which will thicken the mixture and help distribute the seeds evenly. Add it to the boiling water, stir well, and cook until it turns into a thick gel. This gel holds moisture and keeps the seeds from shifting in the soil. Let it cool completely. Now get your carrot seeds. They're very tiny, which makes them hard to sow evenly. This method shows you how to do it right. Add them to the cooled gel and mix thoroughly. Take a piping bag and place it in a tall container to make it easier to fill. Pour the mixture in and let it sit for 3 to 4 days so the seeds can prepare for germination. In the soil, make small grooves where you want to sow. Cut a small corner of the bag and gently squeeze the mixture evenly along the grooves. It's an easy way to get straight rows in your garden. Finally, lightly cover everything with soil and mist with water. This helps speed up carrot germination, and the plants will grow faster, denser, and more evenly. Stick a screwdriver into the bag of soil. Turn it over to the other side. Cut the plastic in a cross shape using a utility knife. Fold each flap inward and tuck it under the soil. Make small holes in the soil and plant your favorite herbs. The openings help aerate the soil, making it ready for planting. It's a quick, clean method with no mess that lets you plant several plants at once. Make a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your seedlings using what you already have in your garden. Just gather the grass growing around. Even ordinary weeds will work. Grass has properties that improve soil quality, speed up plant growth, increase resistance to disease, and strengthen the root system. Take a handful of grass and put it into a bucket, filling it halfway. Then chop the plants into smaller pieces. Now take a piece of gauze, spread it out, and place the chopped plants in the center. Fold the gauze inward to form a small pouch. Place this pouch into the bucket filled with water and close it. Let it sit for a few days until the contents begin to ferment. From these humble plants will come the best nutrients, a natural plant-based essence rich in everything your seedlings need. After a few days, mix 1 measure of the liquid with 5 liters of water and use it to water your seedlings. You can also use the undiluted version for larger, stronger plants. It's a natural and effective way to promote faster growth, richer colors, and greater resistance, all from something we usually consider garden waste. This simple trick turns a single garlic clove into a whole bunch of fresh chives. Prepare a plastic tray and fill it with garden soil that retains moisture well and gives the plant stable growing conditions. Take a garlic bulb and separate it into individual cloves. Gently trim the top of each clove, where the shoot will sprout, to encourage faster growth. Prepare a jar and pour in 1 liter of water. Add a tablespoon of salt, which helps clean and strengthen the cloves, and a tablespoon of ash, a natural fertilizer that supports garlic growth. Mix everything thoroughly to create a simple, nourishing solution. Now dip each clove in the water for a moment to let it absorb the nutrients. Then plant the cloves in the soil, leaving space between them to grow. This is an easy way to grow chives from garlic at home. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Soon, you'll see the first green shoots. It's a simple trick to speed up garlic growth, and you'll get fresh, aromatic chives to use in your kitchen. Just 1 tablet is enough for your cucumbers to start growing like crazy. This mixture works like a powerful regenerating booster for young cucumber plants. It strengthens their resistance and helps even weakened plants recover and grow stronger again. Cucumbers often struggle with powdery mildew and plant issues during humid weather, which is why they need regular support. The base of this mixture is aspirin containing acetyl salicylic acid, which supports the plant's natural regeneration and resilience. Take a bowl and add 2 aspirin tablets, then crush them thoroughly into a fine powder. It creates a light, delicate texture that dissolves easily in water and quickly releases its properties. Next, prepare a small pot and pour in half a liter of water. Add the crushed aspirin and simmer everything for about 10 minutes so the ingredients fully infuse into the water and create an active solution. While the mixture is still warm, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and stir thoroughly. The vinegar stabilizes the solution and improves its effectiveness in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Let the mixture cool completely. Then prepare a bucket with about 5 liters of water, pour in the finished concentrate, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of gardening ammonia and stir again to create a fully active solution. Pour the finished fertilizer into a spray bottle and spray the cucumber leaves every few days during the intensive growth period. This helps the plants recover faster, become stronger and more resistant, while producing much larger and healthier harvests.